Hey everybody, it's Muhammad here. So today I created the updated version of this database SEO sheet. You'll have all the links that you need right here and on the bottom over here. So if you ever need the most updated sheet, just visit this link and you will find that. So without further ado, let's get started here. So to start off, we'll always click on this thing and click on the property we want to work on. Once you have the property you want to work on, you have a lot of different things that you can filter by. The first thing is the date range. So if you want to go and just check out the last 14 days, for example, you just click apply, and now you have the last 14 days and you're comparing it between the previous period. Up over here you have a quick data of the average position, the impressions, the URL clicks, and the URL CTR. You also have the ability to filter down by device type. If you want to filter by mobile, desktop, or tablet only, you have that option. The screen is a little cut out here, so if you see it right here, you can click only there, and that will filter by any of those types. You also have the ability to filter by country. The screen is a little bit cut off here, but you can go and click any of those either. Whenever you click on any one of these, just so you know, all this data does get updated. So this table over here is constantly being updated by any of the filters you choose. So let's just go over the exclusions here. So you have the ability to exclude a keyword or a page by just typing in the keyword in this box or the word or phrase in the page in this box here. So for example, if we want to exclude central here, which is a brand name, we'll just type in central and we'll just click that uncheck mark there, and now we have all those terms that disappeared. You still have the ability to exclude in your regex as well, and if you want to know how to do that, please visit the last video or go to the page down here which explains it, or below here which will explain that a little bit further. If you want to exclude the landing page, you'll do the exact same thing. So for example, if you want to exclude anything that has teeth in it, we'll just type in teeth in here and we'll click on this check mark there. You can see excluded too. There it's kind of cut off, but excluded a few words there. And now you have this super fast, super quick exclusion. If you want to filter a little bit quicker, you have this drop down menu now, and it's filtered by impression. So you can uncheck mark the pages you don't want on there, or you can just click only to just only show, for example, the home page. And as always, when you do any one of these, the data for this table here updates, so you can get a lot more accurate view of the data that you want to see per page, per keyword, per set of keywords, and etc. So I'm just going to go and clear all of the stuff that I wrote on here. So I'm just going to clear that, and I'm going to clear this over here. And I'm just going to clear this as well. And now we're back to where we started off from. You have the ability to export to Google Sheets or your CSV still. The only thing that is missing from the sheet is really an ability to filter your average position or URL clicks or impressions. I'm still trying to figure out a way to do that. So far right now you kind of do need to export to your Sheets or your Excel to do a little bit more of that data crunching. If you want a faster copy and paste, if you just want to copy the landing pages here and the keywords here, you can click on this little bookmarklet. First you actually got to create your bookmarklet and copy the code that I have on my website, which is linked down over here, keyword analysis made easier. And once you click on it, you have this table where you can highlight and copy any of the pages, the keywords, or the keywords that are all titleized. And that's just for people who are doing a lot of copy and pasting and don't want to continuously export out. So So there's a lot of different ways you could use this sheet to save a lot of time. I have a lot of regex examples. There's even a lot more examples out there that you can do that I'm not even aware of. A nice thing about this sheet is you can set filters that you want to see and quickly toggle through all the web properties. So you can have like your country and your device set. Maybe you want to exclude some keywords, or you want to include some keywords that is the same across a set of web properties, and you can filter through them super quickly. Again, you can easily go and visit my webpage here, and I'll be sharing all of the booklets, the code to create the booklets, the regex examples for 1 word, 2 word, 3 word, and multiple, how you set it up. I'll keep updating this page here, so if you ever want to know how to do something and the video didn't really explain it very well, you should have this over here. You could always send me a message and I'll answer that. Once again, I do invite you to join our Facebook group. I do share some things that I'm not sharing because it's not ready to be released, so it's kind of like the beta program here. So for example, I have another sheet that is kind of unique in the way that we approach analyzing the data that we get from Google. So if you want to check that out, be sure to join the group. And as always, if you like this video, please help me out by subscribing and liking this video. It definitely helps me along the way.